Hey guys, it's me Alicia. Have you ever been to a boba shop and you see those little round balls that pop in your mouth? If you haven't, they look like this. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make them. Let's get started. We're going on a treasure hunt for strange and mysterious food. This one's pretty simple. You just need two main ingredients. Calcium lactate and what's this one called again, Tess?
Sodium alginate.
Oh, wait, where does it come from?
It's derived from brown algae.
Oh, thanks, Tess. You can get these online if you search for spherification.
Spherification.
Another thing you're gonna need is some type of juice or liquid to spherify. You could use pink lemonade, or you could use chocolate milk, or anything that's liquid. But what I'm using today is fruit punch. Okay, now what we're gonna do is put 1 teaspoon of calcium lactate into 1 cup of water. So this is a ½ teaspoon measurement, so we're going to put 2 of these in there in order to create 1 teaspoon, and then we're just gonna mix it up. Now what we're gonna do, put 1/2 teaspoon of sodium alginate, a ½ cup of juice. Now what we're gonna do is begin whisking it. You gotta whisk this for a long time until you can't even see the sodium alginate anymore. So I'll be right back.
What? Science time!
Spherification is basically a fancy way of saying we're gonna turn the juice into a little ball. When the sodium alginate mixed with the juice hits the calcium lactate mixed with water, it turns into a little sphere. Spherification.
Spherification. Science!
Okay, now that we're done whisking these, we have the water mixed with the calcium lactate, and we have the sodium alginate mixed with the fruit punch. Now we're gonna pour this into here so that it's easier to turn into boba. In order to get this into here, we're gonna use this. This is a special syringe made for this, but you could also use the little syringe that comes with medicine, or you could use a turkey baster. Now, we're just going to get this in here, and then we're gonna slowly add a couple drops. Ready?
Slow-mo time.
Make sure not to put this too high up in the air, or else when it falls, it'll get all stringy. And don't put it too close either, or else it won't solidify immediately. Do you see that? It's turning into little balls of boba, and it's solidifying as soon as it hits the water.
Slow-mo!
Once you think you've got enough in there, you're gonna grab a slotted spoon in a small bowl, and then you're just gonna fish out the boba. Now you don't have to wait for them to harden because they immediately harden as soon as they touch the water. Now that we have some of these in a bowl, we're gonna do the taste test. Ready?
Oof.
I dropped it. Now we're gonna,
Oof.
Now we're gonna do the ew. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Those are so good. When you bite into them, they pop, and you can really taste the fruit punch in them. I'm definitely making these again. These can be used in so many ways. You can eat them plain, as a snack. You could put them in drinks. You could put them on ice cream, in yogurt to flavor it, or you could put it in candy sushi. That was delicious. Now let's get a few quick pictures.
Activating photo shoot mode.
Okay guys, that was spherification. Comment down below what you would put in your boba. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out our Instagram for more cool pictures of food. Bye!
Oh! Head to Instagram @GoldieBlox to see last week's winning photo.